My name is Marina Morais Monteiro, and I am in the first year of my post-doctorate at Universidade Federal do Rio Grande do Sul, in Brazil, where I am working with information for conservation and restoration the biodiversity of Brazilian grassland and savanna. Despite being known in all world for forest, Brazil also has immense biodiversity in open ecosystems, such as the Cerrado and the Pampas. I decided to study ecological restoration to show the different sectors of society how valuable this natural open ecosystem is, and that it is possible to maintain ecosystem development together with ecological conservation and restoration. My work aims to synthesize the knowledge about the ecological restoration that has been done in Brazil's open ecosystem and make this synthesis available to government and scientists so that these environments can be better considered in public policy and become as priority as forest. I believe that during the decade of restoration, we can demonstrate to other sectors of society how important is the research and the action that are being developed for the restoration of ecosystem. I think these coming years should act as a showcase for our work, so that we receive better conditions to continue restoring ecosystem. I believe that my membership with the Society of Ecological Restoration can show information from Brazilian open ecosystem to other countries and influence the conservation and the restoration of similar environments. For my career in particular, I believe that by the network with other SERS members, I can learn about different techniques and incentives for restoration that are effective in other countries and can be applied here in Brazil.